Wonderful Co. Ltd. OM solutions available for global partners. Cities produce huge amounts of waste every day. Collection is costly, sorting is messy, efficiency is low. We need a better, smarter system. The T8 Smart Sorting Service Station is built for real urban problems. It is not just a collection point. It is a complete, self-contained waste management hub. On-site food waste processing reduces transport and odor. Clear separate zones make sorting simple and accurate. Smart devices help people use it easily. Safety, cleanliness, and durability are built into every part. With autonomous vehicles and smart systems, the whole workflow becomes smoother, more efficient, and more reliable. It lowers operating cost. It improves recycling rate. It makes cities cleaner and healthier. T8 Smart Sorting Service Station, a practical, professional solution for modern cities.